Good morning. It is Disney Day. Why is my voice so deep? Okay, we've arrived. It's an absolutely miserable day. It is so rainy. Oh my god, look at it. Have you got the tickets, Tom?
Yes, I have the executive club tickets.
We've got executive super special club tickets. Thank you very much, Disney, for sending us those. Okay, we're going into the park now. It's raining, and we're gonna have a good day. We're gonna have a good day. Thank you. It's gonna be a good magical Disney day. Okay, first thing we need to do is get some ears for the whole squad. Ears time. Oh, there's such a big selection here. Oh, I think we're gonna have to get the pink ones. Ta-da! Oh, very cute. I think these are the ones. Yeah. Okay, Tom, my pal, what'd you get?
Cheese dog.
That's some good cheese. Hey, we're going on Roger Rabbit's cartoon spin. Here we go. You ready? It's time for another classic. We're going on the Haunted Mansion. Who's excited?
Yay!
Yay! But this one looks like it's kind of a little bit Jack Skellington themed. They had him like above the ride, so that's pretty cool. It seems like it's all Jack Skellington Nightmare Before Christmas themed instead of just regular Haunted Mansion. We love you. Right, I really enjoyed that. It was nice. It was nice to shake up the Haunted Mansion a little bit for once. Also, it didn't break down. That is the first time I've ever been on the Haunted Mansion ride and it didn't break down. Congratulations, Tokyo Disneyland. Parade because we have about half an hour for our reservation at Crystal Palace. aesthetically pleasing little buffet. And we're gonna go get some yummy food now. Ta-da! So I got the Mickey shaped chicken and the little Mickey shaped carrot. This just said today's special, I think it's ravioli, and I covered it in parmesan. Potato gratin, I have hidden some broccoli underneath it. And another today's special, I have no idea what it is, and this is swordfish. Very excited to try that. This food looks so good, I'm just gonna like tuck in. Okay, bye. Now it's time for dessert. Ah, yum, 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 yum.
Welcome to Halloween Poppin' Live!
Okay, we just went on Thunder Mountain. That is the best Thunder Mountain of any Disney park. It was so good. It was really fun. We nearly came out, but it was fun. But it was fun. All right, we're gonna go. We're running because we want to see the glowing lights parade thing. We're running.
The size of her dress.
Oh, beautiful lights. Yes, very romantic.
The city's glowing.
Oh, Aladdin, it's so beautiful.
Delicious double sausage pizza. Hello everyone. Okay, this is the last section of Disney Tokyo. We're just having some pizza before we watch the fireworks, and then that's it. That's the end of the day. I wasn't filming at the time, but during the Electric Lights Parade, Prince Charming came past in his shoe and was like fully flirting with me from, yeah, they know it.
He was flirting with me?
No, it was me. He was fully flirting with me from the float. He was all like, want to try on my shoe? And I was like, you? It's fireworks time! Like your precious when they played the Rescuers song, that one where it's like, be brave little girl, make a wish for each sad little tear. Oh, that song really breaks me into millions of tiny pieces. Wow, it really does something to me. Anyways, yes, we're gonna do a little bit of last minute shopping and then it's off home. So thank you for a wonderful day, Disney. We've had a lovely time. We love you. Mwah. Good afternoon, everyone. on, it's the afternoon. We had a big sleep in this morning. And today we're in Shibuya. Yeah, so we're in Shibuya today. We're going to be doing some shopping and some eating. Is that going to be grand? Okay, next up is Shibuya 109, which is like the really famous shopping mall in Shibuya. So yes, please can we go there? I have so much shopping I want to do. Oh my goodness. Me and Carrie are having a little break from shopping. We bought a lot of stuff. And we're just in this little cafe. What? So much food. Don't touch the plate, yeah, it's so hot. Yum! I literally cannot explain how nice it is to have friends that don't eat their vegetables, especially when there's avocado in their salad.
You are the best. I love you.
Mario's. Bye bye! Slightly. Yeah, I spent 80 quid on underwear because the place was called Peach John and I have no regrets. So we're at this lovely cafe and I'm very tempted by the fruit sandwich. Spaghetti. But I'm also very tempted by the French plate. What was that noise? So yes, I think I'm gonna have to get the French plate and then Carrie, you can like eat whatever ice cream I don't finish. This is creme brulee, but I don't know what that is. Oh, looks like apricot, but it could be like glazed or something. I'll show you me. My favorite. So we get back to our hotel after a hard day of shopping and there was just fully a cockroach in here. Fully. This is a cockroach. Yep. And James got rid of it. What a hero. What a hero. I bought a lot of stuff in Shibuya today and I fully intend to go back and buy some more. There was something I had to say. Yes, I remember what I had to say. If you guys want to see all the things I bought, haul on my main channel. That's the word. But you probably all came to this vlog from that haul anyway, so whatever. Hello everyone, today we're in Akihabara, the like anime center of Tokyo, or something. And look, Becca's got peach Fanta, I need to get me some. Right now. This one's my fave. Yeah. We're just trying out the massage chairs in Yorobadashi, which is this huge like electronic store. How's yours, Becky? Painful. Yeah, mine too.
Oh, this foot one's nice.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Good. I feel like I'm a bit too bony for it. Right, I'm gonna try a different one now. Oh. This one's weird. It's making me shake.
I feel like I'm just gonna be in some.
Oh my god. Oh! Can it stop doing that? It keeps like vibrating on the seat. Like an actual like no, like this is really inappropriate. Stop that, you cheeky chair. So we've had some food, we had some ramen. There's my friend Ev, who lives in Japan. And now we are just exploring the toy floor. I want to say toy shop, but it's an entire floor dedicated to toys. It's just so big, like I can't even express how many toys are here. Akihabara at night! Yeah. And we're going to be dreaming! And apparently there's like 1 million of them.
There's one there.
There's one right there. But there's also one over there. Which one will we choose? Okay, we flipped a coin and we picked the one which is next to the sign that says Takarada. Takarada, which is on the corner. So if you ever want to come to the same one we did, it's that one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're in the Maid Cafe, but I can't film any of the maids, but I'm allowed to film around the area, and I might get a photo with one of them later. But sadly you can't see the maids. Sorry guys. It's so cute, I love it! Okay, Carrie and James are at the Final Fantasy Cafe and we're gonna get some punikuna! Oh! I have to do this one! Cinderella time! Yeah, we're back from Akihabara. It was really nice. Ev showed us around all the cool spots. Thanks so much. And yeah, I really enjoyed Akihabara. It was really fun and everyone there was really friendly. And yeah, it was great. And tomorrow we're going to be doing lots of touristy things in Tokyo. Good morning everyone. We just had an earthquake. That was exciting. Literally I thought James was like in the bathroom like doing something and I was going to tell you off. I was like, you're going to bother the next door neighbours. No, it was like a full-on earthquake. That was so exciting. Alright everyone, it's 28 degrees Celsius. This is like some really extreme heat right now. And we're at the Imperial Palace. So we just sauntered up to the gates of the Imperial Palace like a bunch of idiot tourists. And these guards like came out and were just like, what are you doing? Where are you trying to go? What do you think you're doing? And they're like, can we help you? We're like, oh, we want to see the Imperial Palace. And they're like, well, you can't do that. This is like a highly restricted security zone. So they've kindly led us in the direction of the gardens, which we can go see. Oh, that was great. That was really great. We're such idiots. So we're just looking around the gardens of the Imperial Palace and I got this little magnet from the museum because in the meme mansion we collect magnets wherever we go abroad because we've got this like big extractor fan thing and it's covered in magnets. I should show you guys that sometime. I got this one because it's got little hearts on it. Okay, we're all finished at Imperial Palace and we're doing some shopping underground in the Tokyo station and they have all these amazing shops, so let's go look around. Konnichiwa, everybody. That's good evening in Japanese. So we've come to this ramen place which we've wanted to come to since we've been here, which is like, it says like cheese and tomato ramen and like gorgonzola and camembert ramen. I'm gonna show you this menu tab. Look at that cheesy goodness. Yeah. I got the camembert paper. Becky got cheese and tomato ramen. James got the same as me but with extra cheese. And Carrie is giving me all of her vegetables. Thanks, Carrie. So this is under the Hotel Gracery in Shinjuku. And if you come here, get this.
Drive is right pedal.
This machine measures how much weight you can lift in one big tug. Are you ready, James?
236.
236, 82. Hey!
Heavy.
That's like double what Becky got. Everyone. Today is Friday, we're going on Monday and I'm not really vlogging today because I'm buying everyone's like birthday and Christmas presents in Harajuku, so I don't want any of that stuff to appear on the vlog, so I'm being sneaky. But yeah, we're back in Harajuku today. We've been here all day and I sliced my finger open this morning. Wasn't very smart, but yeah. So we've come to a cat cafe in Harajuku called Mocha and it smells very chocolatey up here. It's very nice. It's a little slipper dispensary. Whoop. Okay, so you get unlimited free drinks and you also get little catties. Yay! Terry gave me the pink ones. Ta-da! My favorite cat. This is my favorite cat. I don't know what its name is, but I'm calling it Huxley. He smells really good. Okay, we're back. Look, I have no eyelashes on. Isn't this a weird experience? Yeah, we're gonna go to bed early tonight. We're just watching Jenna Marble's new video, and I got a Pom Pom Purin McFlurry. I just thought you'd all like to know about the McFlurry. It's like marshmallow and caramel flavored. So yes, important information. Blah, blah, blah. Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday. Today's like our last proper day because we're gonna need to mostly pack tomorrow because we got so much stuff. So today we're meeting Charlotte of Charlotte in Japan. Stuff. Halloween. So we're just sitting in a family mart having breakfast right now. Why don't they serve these in England? What am I gonna do when I get home when I can't eat all this stuff? So yes, should be a fun day. We're here at Nakano Broadway. It's Charlotte. Hello. She's just showing me the tripod I need to get, and Tom's saying it looks like a sex toy.
It's lovely. You really should get one.
So,
Wink, wink.
are we in Nakano Broadway now, or is this it? Okay, so this is like the walkway towards it.
This is like the old lady clothing.
Okay.
Walkway.
Right. Sounds
Once
fun.
we get in there, all the cool stuff will start.
Right. Okay. Okay, so Charlotte's taking us to this little shop and it's literally everything. It's everything I want from life. So I'm trying to get one for Ellen, Charlie, and myself. So this one is very Ellen, and this one's very Charlie because she's got red hair and she's drinking wine. And then this one is obviously the pink one.
Hi.
It's like that bit where the guy gets kicked out the side of the train. Okay, we're having our first sushi of Japan. That's your first. This is our first sushi of Japan.
Yeah, because everyone's
Yeah, because Kerry doesn't like fish and Becky doesn't like fish.
Oh, are you guys okay eating here?
They'll be fine.
They will be.
They'll be fine. They'll deal with it.
And it's so horrible that it's probably easier for you to use the Japanese style.
Right. Which is, you can just explain it.
So this is like nigiri sushi, so these ones with the stuff on top of the rice.
Wait, how does it work? So I don't just take a plate?
You can if you want, but if you order from the machine, it'll come fresh.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, it's my egg
You never know, you might like it.
I might really like it.
Arigato, Mr. Train-san.
Oh, what is it?
I got tuna, fatty salmon, and regular salmon. Delicious. I just fatty salmon, covered it in wasabi and soy sauce already.
Do they do cold water? How do I get?
It's really good, but it's like very oily around my face. Like I can feel it all like. Oh really? Like, yeah.
You like it?
Connie, you're going to ruin the integrity of the ice cream.
Oh, the soda one's really good.
The soda one is my favorite.
Connie, it's BYO at I. Bring your own ice cream.
The one.
That's my throat though. Oh my god.
Got it all over me.
Thumbnail.
I'm like... So we've come to Shibuya to get purikura and Taco Bell. It's very important to me that we get some Taco Bell before I leave. of my life. So yes, we went all the way to Ikebukuro to go to the Pokemon Center, but I couldn't vlog it because I was buying people presents. Oh my god, my stomach just made the loudest sound. And we said goodbye to Charlotte, and she's off and away back home. And we had a very fun day, didn't we, Kerry? Yes. And now, oh my gosh, tomorrow's our last day. So I'm basically probably just gonna pick up any last minute gifts I wanna get and probably have some fantastic food. We will see. We decided to leave tomorrow open so we could have some fun times. And look at my leg. And yeah, cool. See you tomorrow. Terrible. Good morning. It's the last day in Japan and we are basically packing all day. Kerry came up with a genius idea of getting flat pack. These, what are they, vacuum bags? Oh my god. Go team. That's great, man. Look at that sad Pikachu. Oh my god, look at the Ramen Bar. His face. His face. Oh yeah.
100克以下牙膏等凝胶状，
Look at that stupid
请
thing.
放
Why
入
did I get
可
that?
重复封口的。
Look how great we look. Alright, I'm closing this vlog now. Yesterday I literally had to spend the entire day packing. I just had so much stuff. I'm really glad I got an extra case. It cost me like 100 quid to add the extra case on. Anyway, I also have to take this guy back so he's coming on the train with me. Look how stupid he is. And we decided to end our trip with a McDonald's in the airport because we wanted to get grape and melon soda for the last time. But they didn't have any melon. Hide your face with a pom-pom purin and one more pom-pom purin. Where's pom-pom purin? They're just so good, man. They're like marshmallow and caramel, taste so good. Right, that's it. That's Japan. Amazing. Bum 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 bum.